Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the other day I did a video on that where you join these lines. He's going to cut this out of brass. And a viewer or subscriber or somebody just on Facebook suggested to do it like I do when I do letters, is just have a bottom bar to hold all the letters together. So let's select that, and as you can see, it grabbed the whole thing, so we need to break the curve apart. And then let's grab all this, making sure we get the circle. And let's go back minus front. And there it's done. And in this case, I would even suggest to the person to, even though this is probably the strongest point of the item, you could very easily take these two nodes, holding down the control button and moving them up just a hair, and then that will lock that piece in. So now let's take the whole thing again and back minus front. And then when you put in your color, this would be the weakest link, but if it's a thick enough material, and depending on what you're making it for, it would look a lot better. So I thank that person who suggested that and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.